Hi guys, Mrs. Holbrook here. Let's get it going. Let's start with some of these sound-alike words. So I am just going to hold up the card. Well, it's on the screen. And here's what I want you to do. I want you to get your whiteboard and jot down a sentence using it correctly. So you have your whiteboard, so you're doing a sentence with night. We're only going to do 4 of these. Pause if you need more time. And now let's do this one. Write a sentence with this new. Okay, pause if you need more time. And now we can do this new. Okay, and one more sentence. This scene. Okay, after you've written your 4 sentences, I want you to read them out loud and make sure you read them smoothly. Work on that fluency. It's important that you can read your own writing and read it fluently. Okay, as you're reading those out loud, I am going to get a few of our warm-ups out. Okay, you're done with your sentences? Great. Repeat after me. Here's our new sound that we learned. CH, chin, ch. CH, chorus, k. Good job. And speaking of chorus, it's time for a word of the day. Today, our word of the day is chorus. So I'm going to go ahead and write chorus. And let's talk about how we're going to mark this sound. So we need to scoop the 2 syllables. So I'm just kind of going to underline them since I don't have a scoop tool right now. We have core, and then we have us. So what do you think? Let's get rid of the little line in the middle. 2-syllable word. What kind of syllable is core? How would you label that one? It's R controlled, yeah. So we need to put a circle around the OR vowel, and that's R controlled. And how about us? We have a vowel closed in, so it's a closed vowel, and it's a short U sound, chorus. And then the only other thing is that we have to underline our digraph. I'm just going to highlight it now. And up above it, we want to write that it has the k sound. So you're used to labeling the sounds things make. We use these little lines, and then we put the K to show that it's that sound. So I'm also going to write this in the vocabulary section, just like you will be doing because it's a word of the day. So this is what it would look like in your notebook. So go ahead and get out your notebooks and find an open C and write the word chorus and mark it. And then the lines below it, we of course write our sentence. So who has a good sentence with the word chorus? And we'll start with an uppercase and end with a stop sign. Okay, I heard someone say the sentence, the chorus sang many beautiful songs. The chorus sang many beautiful songs. And there's our word of the day, chorus. So go ahead and make sure that you have the word in the notebook, marked just like I do, and then writing our sentence below with an uppercase and with correct punctuation and correct spelling. I will put that sentence back up there so that you can get that entered. Okay, and when you're done with that, we have some new learning. So guys, tell me all the digraphs that you know. You learned these way back in kindergarten and first grade. What digraphs do you know? Yep, CH, we just talked about that. What else do you know? WH, whistle, what? SH, ship, shh. TH, thumb. And we know TH also makes the noisy sound like V. Any others? CK. Yep, when we talked about that one yesterday. CK, sock. Only at the end of one syllable words. Awesome. Well, guess what? There is one more digraph to learn. Can you believe it? We've been holding out on you all of these years. Let me show you this new digraph. Do, do, do. And yes, you know trigraphs. That is true. Here it is. PH. Raise your hand if you've ever seen PH in a word. I think all of you have. And you probably might know that PH says like the F says. So I'm biting my lip to make that sound. And here is our picture for this one. Repeat after me. We have a phone. So we have PH phone. Nice job repeating. So of course you know now the sound of can be made with F or with PH. So it is a spelling option. This is another time where you're going to have to look in the spelling option parts or a spell checker or a dictionary if you're not sure. Okay, so I'm going to make some words that have PH and I want you to try to read them. Okay, friends. It is nighttime here with a K, very dark, but all you have to worry about is reading these words. When I highlight it, let me hear you read it. Phase. That PH right there. I'm going to underline my digraph. It says an F is much more common to be the F sound, but these ones all have PH. What's this word? Photo. Very good. Look at this word. It has two digraphs that are PH. It starts and ends that way. What does it say? Photograph. Very good. Okay, on this one, our PH sound is in the middle. What's the word? Telephone. And here's our digraph in the beginning. What word is this? Phony. And we have our digraph towards the end. What's this word? Trophy. Very nice. Okay, I want you to get ready for some dry erase dictation. Okay, so let's start on the top of your whiteboard. Let's start with some sounds. So number one, can you write all the ways to do the sound K? What are all the ways to do K? And as you write them, you can check with me. C, K, C, K, C, H. Okay, number two, write all the ways to do the sound. There's two. All the ways to do F and PH. Okay, let's write a number three and let's do one more here. What are all the ways you know to do the sound J? There you go. And don't forget to write EI and Y because those are the times that G says J. All right, cool. Let's do erase if you need some space, and we're going to do three words. All right, let's start with the word echo. I hear my echo, echo. I won't type it till I think you're ready. All right, you can check it with mine whenever you're ready. Echo. And I want you to underline the digraph. Echo. That's all you need to mark. Underline the digraph. That's all you'll need to do on the test too, is underline digraphs. And then when we learn about silent letters, you'll have to do some marking and some suffix endings. Okay, but nothing else. So make sure you don't just go crazy marking everything, only mark what your teacher says. All right, let's try the word stomach. Stomach. You might want to check it in your spell checker so you get it right. Take your time looking up stomach. And underline the digraph. The k at the end is the ch. Okay, one more word. Let's do dolphin. Dolphin. Think about which letters will do the f sound. And underline your digraph and check with me. All right, let's read what we wrote. What's this word? Echo, stomach, dolphin. All right, nice job. All right, we're going to do 2 sound-alikes. So I will give you a sentence and you need to write what word it is for that sentence. Okay, here's the first one. The phone rang late last night. Which night is that? The phone rang late last night. Make sure you spell it correctly. That counts. Okay, check it to mine. It's this night, late last night. And your second sentence is, I never knew you could ice skate. Which "knew" is that? I never knew you could ice skate. Spell it correctly. And check it with mine. Okay, what are our words? Night and new. Okay, and let's do 2 sentences. Here's sentence number 1. That new chemical has an awful smell. That new chemical has an awful smell. That new chemical has an awful smell. Okay, ready to check it? If not, then you should pause here. That new chemical has an awful smell, period. Notice chemical has the CH at the beginning and just a C in the middle. Notice it's new, N-E-W. Awful is aw, and then full with just one L. And smell has the bonus L. How'd you do? Okay, we have one more sentence, and then that's it for today. Repeat after me. Philip asked for a knapsack for his birthday. Philip asked for a knapsack for his birthday. Pause to have more time, and I'm going to start typing it in. Philip, you notice, is with a PH for the F sound. Ask is the base word, and then ED. For a, all right, knapsack. This is a tricky one, guys. It's a silent letter like night and new, but we haven't really talked about it yet. Knapsack has that silent K at the beginning. It's another word for backpack. A knapsack for his birthday. Okay, check all of yours to mine. And the last thing I want you to do is read these 2 sentences smoothly and quickly. That new chemical has an awful smell. And put feeling into it. It's called expression, reading with expression. Philip asked for a knapsack for his birthday. And after you've done that, you can erase and put everything away neatly, and I'll see you next time.